my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. For this video, as you can see from the title, I'll be testing out the Liberex Blackhead vacuum. This is actually the first skincare device that I'll be trying. There's lots of skincare like light treatments, but this is the first one I've been trying. Partnering with Liberex to bring you this review and first impressions, and I think this would be kind of cool. Well, this is why I have on absolutely no makeup right now. My skin is clean. I didn't do my nighttime skincare routine as of yet, so it's really just some micellar water just to cleanse or take off whatever's on my face, and that's about it. So if you're ready to see me unbox this blackhead remover and try to use it, hopefully I get it right. Keep on watching. Sorry. Alright, so here's the Liberex Blackhead Remover Vacuum. I've never used one of these before. My friend did. Infinity Cloud, love him, but don't tell him that because we thugs, we don't. Yeah, I'm sorry. But yeah, so he said he really likes it. So this is not only a blackhead remover vacuum, it's actually, it actually has light treatment. So it says it's a blue light wave that kills acne and tightens skin. Guys, you already know, I'm always looking to be 2, okay? Always. And then there's a red light, which increases the blood flow and collagen production, also for the wrinkles. About to look 2 for the rest of my life. So here it is. It looks small. I've never tried. Look, I didn't even take the plastic off. So you guys already know. So for this, we're actually gonna bust out the BoxyCharm knife just because I can't open anything. So just stop. So this company did actually reach out to me to see if I wanted to test. They did have a few options of products. I decided this one was cool. There was like a face brush and there was something else that I don't remember, but I wasn't gonna use it. But this seemed really, really cool. And I know we have blackheads, but my face is really oily, so you guys know, like I have that some whiteheads, you know, when you push your nose back and you get all that gunk out. I can't even do that, okay? Let me tell you how my face will bruise if I'm gonna talk about it. So we're gonna try this. They also have a sample program where you can try out one of their products for free. I'll leave the link in the description box so you guys can check that out. So that's always really cool. And I know I'm extra, I just use the knife for everything because I really can't open anything. And I'm not breaking my nails for anybody. I'm excited. Okay, so here it comes. Ooh. So here's what it looks like in the box. It actually has a USB charger, which is really cool. It looks like the standard like Android charger, so you can plug it into the wall or any USB outlet like your computer, anything like that. So that's cool. I wish it had instrucciones para mí. What are these? I don't know what these spongy things are, but I guess we're gonna find out. Oh. Ah, almost had me. Here's the instruction booklet. Am I gonna read it thoroughly? Probably not. Am I gonna read enough to figure out what I'm doing? You gotcha. And here's the actual unit itself. It's pretty big. Here's what it looks like. There's lots of plastic. So it has like a so there's like different like nozzles. I guess you replace them. I don't exactly know yet what that means. Let's see if it does have some charge in it already. And it has like settings. It's like a power, then it's like a plus and a minus. I don't know what that is, but it feels nice in my hand. Am I beautiful yet? Okay, I'm sorry. I don't know what this is. We're gonna find out. Let's look through some of the instructions. I guess this is like I'm assuming this is like the light treatment head. So let's actually see what these things is. Okay, so this is the suction head. This is the suction head with filter cover. So I guess those two, they give you 2 filter covers, and I guess the light treatment head. This shows the intensity and the battery indicator. And then you adjust the levels of intensity. So you can adjust it from 20, 40, 60, 80, or 99%. What is, okay, 99%? I don't know what that means. That's that, and the charging port is down here. So you guys can stand it up when it charges, which is cool, I like that. I don't like things just rolling around on my desk. So there's a suction head, microcrystalline suction head. That's what this thing is. This is the mic. It feels like, yeah, like an exfoliating pad kind of. Then there's the oval suction head, the medium suction head, and just like I said, the light therapy head. Sorry. Okay, so first thing you do is turn the attachment to take off the device and remove the cover from the suction head. How do I do that? Oh, okay. Oh, so you just turn it and pop it off. That's really cool. And you could just like pop it back in and then turn it like into place. Yeah. That's how you do it. Okay, so you pop this off. Like this, like so. These are filters. So you place a filter on the suction head. So these are these little cotton bolly balls are. Sorry guys, do not hate me. It's like nighttime, but I had coffee. I'm off, so sorry. And I guess you just you place it. Man, y'all need to First of all, I can't even place the damn thing. Okay, and you place the filter in. Do I have to order more filters? Like, I don't really know. Okay, so we place the filter. Oh, that is in German. Sorry. Once you place the filter, you go ahead and choose a suction head. I'm gonna choose the oval suction head. Why? No idea. But I saw it there and I liked it. Then again, when you place it, you just pop it on and you turn it. Make sure that it aligns properly. So there's that. And then you press on switch and it can increase the intensity. So as you move the attachment over your face, make sure that you do not move the attachment over the part of your face more than once. Oh, okay, so I guess you just go one and done. I'm a little scared. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in. We're gonna get up all in my grill and we're gonna try it out. But yeah, so that's how you use it. Sorry if you guys hate me. Listen. I'm sorry. But I'm gonna zoom you guys in. We're gonna go ahead and try to use it. We're gonna get up on my face, move this hair, cause hate comb my hair. But let's go ahead and do that. We're zoomed in. I'm a little scared. What if I put up the intensity too much and I get a bruise? But let's try it out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on. So it is now on. It just shows 0. I didn't change the intensity or anything, and it just shows that there is battery life, which is full. It does come with a full charge, which is really good, especially for this video. Like, I don't have to stop, wait, and charge it. That's cool. Also, my eyebrows are really red, especially this one. I literally waxed my eyebrows right before I filmed. Why? Because something is wrong with me. And that's all I have to say. So I'm gonna go ahead and just press. Oh, so this is 20. We're gonna start slow. Oh, okay. So it's a pretty like good suction at 20. Just say don't run it over the same spot twice. Why? I don't know. But that kind of makes me a little scared. It's like a low hum. You can't even hear it. I think. And if you like leave it in one spot too long, it does like a little pulling sound. I'm gonna bump it up to 40. I got scared, but let's try it over here. Oh. Okay, so let's turn it off. Before it pulls my face off. This suction on this is not a game, okay? Who is putting it up to 99%? What do your pores look like? What? I'm afraid. Do you not have a nighttime skincare routine? Please talk to me. I know blackheads are hard to get out, but oh my gosh, did you guys see that? That was a lot for me. A lot. I'm scared now. This is really cool though. I want to see how much I can get out of my face, but I don't think I have too much. So let's power back on. We're gonna hit it up to 20 and on 40. I think we're leaving on 40. I am terrified to go higher than 40. So let's do this. But you see how shiny my damn nose is? Get off of me. Oh my God. Do you see there's a red mark? Okay, I'm scared. I don't know if I'm supposed to like go slow or get, ooh. Like how do I know it's really getting it? Oh, my face gets so red with like any little touch. It's just like, Bruh. Do you see that? Now there's like a red streak. My face is gonna be completely red when this is over. This is fun. I'm sorry. This is kind of fun. Let's try the T-zone where it gets real oily. Let's just do that. Oh. I know you guys are like, want me to shut up. Maybe I should like watch it like a... I think I need to watch a tutorial on this. I think I definitely need to. Let's try to get in this nose corner. You guys know that? It's like hard to get right there. I know I'm not supposed to run over the same spots twice, but I feel like on 20, I feel like it wasn't doing anything. Oh, I see stuff in here. Oh, it's working. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you guys in and it's gonna look really, really gross. But let me just go ahead. I'm just gonna run this over my face and come back to show you all the gunk and tell you exactly how I feel about it, I guess. Oh my God, this is cool. Okay, so let me just do that and I'm having too much fun with this. I'm sorry, throw me away. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that and come back and show you guys all the nasties that came from my face. Okay, so I did go ahead off camera and just continue to use the vacuum over my nose and my T-zone. Mainly, that's where I have the most oil. That's where I would get any of those whiteheads. It's really my problem area. I don't know if it's, I don't know if you guys can still see on camera, but my nose was really, really red and I can still feel it. But I'm gonna say that this definitely works. On a lower setting though, I do believe you can go over the same spot more than once. I believe when it's at a higher setting, you want to be careful. As I said, my skin is extremely sensitive and I bruise very, very easily. So that could have easily given me a bruise if I was on a higher setting, but definitely not. So that's cool. So just keep that in mind. On a lower setting, I stayed at 40. You can definitely go over the same spot more than once. And it definitely got out some gunk. Now again, I didn't wash my face with my usual skincare routine, so this is all natural oils from the day. I just used some micellar water just to cleanse my skin a little bit, but that's honestly it. I didn't do anything else. So here's, I don't know, to be honest, I don't know what that filter does, this little thing. Maybe it makes it so like the suction is not so strong so I don't suck my face off, but it's there, so maybe you don't have to change this as often as I thought, because most of the gunk is actually in the suction head. So I'm gonna insert a clip here somewhere just so you guys can see it. But if you can see that, there's some stuffs in there. There's some so there's that, but you can easily wash this off. Very, 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 very easy to wash. It's not like, especially if you have one of those straw cleaners, definitely recommend that. I would use that. But it definitely works. Again, you can go ahead and try this out. You can apply to try a free sample of their products. This was sent to me for free, and I'm gonna keep trying to use it to see how I like it. I'm hoping to do a favorites sometime soon, just so I can go through my favorite products, whether they're makeup and skincare, just to give my final reviews on them after using them for a long period of time. But this is definitely cool. Now for the light head treatments, you would just pop this off. You'll pop on the light treatment head. I like that it's very, very easy to actually switch these out. So you would turn it on. How do I do the light? Okay, so to get the blue light, you would press, you turn it on, you'll press and hold the plus for about 5 seconds. And you'll get the blue light. And then you would just, this is supposed to kill bacterium while diminishing inflammation, which also prevents breakouts and acne. So that's really cool. So I'm assuming you just apply it to your face. It's just a light treatment. Bruh, the way my face is red right here on my nose, I think I'm definitely going to use that. So you can always do that. Again, you can always wash these off. I love that they're plastic and washable. And you would just do the same on the bottom. You would hold for 5 seconds. The minus sign, you would get the red light. So the red light is to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Again, so your girl could look too, okay? How old are you? Y'all will never know, okay? Black don't crack, and it's really not gonna crack with this. That's all I'm gonna say. So that's really cool. I really enjoy using this product. I'm gonna keep using it just to get more familiar with it. So thank you so much, Liberex, for sending me this product, and I really enjoyed it, and this was like a cool little review. Hopefully I can try some more skincare like devices, Maybe, because I know people use those face rollers. I personally use a face roller for my headaches, so that works. It's ice rollers. But if there's any other skincare devices that you'd like me to try, make sure you go ahead, leave a comment down below. And I'll definitely try and look them up for you. If you see any viral skincare hacks or anything like that on Instagram, make sure you send that to me. Follow me on Instagram if you're not already. I don't know why, but get it together. We're moving into 2021. We can't have this, okay? At all. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. And like I said, follow me on Instagram. There's always something there for you guys. Check out my stories. I'm planning a giveaway for December for Christmas. I don't know if I want to do like just one big Christmas present. And guys, I wrap presents like a Christmas elf, okay? So it's gonna be hella cute. But definitely comment down below if that's something that you want. Always check out my stories. Like I said, stop playing with me, and my IGTV, because I do have some unboxings there for you as well. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much. If you like the video, make sure you go ahead and like the video. Stop playing with me. In 2021, we're taking over as, you know, booty guru of the world. That's all I'm gonna say. All right, I'm gonna say it. Okay, I'm gonna say it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until